Good morning. Dito na naman tayo guys sa Vlad Compact Shrine. So ito po pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ito po yung Vlad Compact guys sa Bohol, Tagbilaran City. So ito po yung yan po Tagbilaran City. Ito po yung shrine in between si Katuna and Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. For kapatiran or joining to Islas Arm and blood, you fought the cup and you mix and together drink of blood. So yan guys, ito po. So malapit ito guys sa Ocean Suite na hotel. Makapunta kayo dito, daanan nyo itong shrine dito sa ni Miguel Lopez de Legazpi at saka si Katuna. Ayan guys, yan po ang Vlad Compact Shrines in between si Katuna and Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. So for Islas and the arm, and the blood is fought in the cup and you drink in between two person. You take picture?
What kind of heck was it?
Guys.
Very nice.
Yeah. Biking. This guys, I'm in the man-made forest. My friend. Hello.
It's really nice.
So yan guys ang ating guest from Germany. So talagang siya guys, ang tagal niya doon sa Chocolate Hills. So amis na-amis siya sa lugar dito sa Bohol. So from Germany. So napaka-nice ang view dito guys. So dito tayo ngayon sa man-made forest. Ayan guys. So kami lang dalawa nag-tour. Wala siyang kasama. Ayan. So ayan lang muna guys.